Hello guys, welcome back to the iCloud Go channel. In today's video, we'll be walking you through how to unlock your iPhone 7 when you forgot the passcode. Furthermore, you'll learn how to bypass iCloud activation lock when you have Find My iPhone enabled, but have difficulty verifying your credentials. So, let's get started. First, let's remove the screen lock using iTunes. So we open it up, plug the device in. Now we are going to put it into recovery mode. For iPhone 7, is press and hold both the volume down and side button till you see the connect to laptop icon. Then select Restore in iTunes. This will erase all content and settings and update your phone to the latest iOS. By the way, you can also use forward key to remove the lock screen, which works in a more intuitive fashion. Well done. Let's go ahead and set it up. Since I use Find My iPhone, I'm expecting the activation lock. Here we go. iPhone 7 is quite an antique now, so it's quite common that we forgot the old credentials. If you're in this kind of situation, keep watching. Here I'll show you how to bypass it with Forward Me key. So we launch it. Make sure the phone is attached. Go to Remove iCloud Activation Lock section. Click Start and agree to the terms and conditions. Forward Me key will be downloading the jailbreak tool. Once downloaded, plug in an empty USB pen drive. Then we can go ahead and create the flash drive. Soon as it finished, we'll get a jailbreak guide. We can also scan the QR code here to view it on other devices. Now we are going to restart the laptop. When it starts up, press F12 to enter the boot option. Then boot it from the UEFI hard drive. Moment later, we'll see the check green jailbreak wizard. It says the iOS is not supported. Let's head to Option. Check off Allow Untested iOS. Then quit back. Now it says the iOS is untested. That's all we need. Let's continue. Press Next to put it into recovery mode first. Then here goes the DFU guide. Press Start. Then quickly finish each steps before the countdown is over. For iPhone 7, is press and hold the side and volume down for 4 seconds. Then release the side but continue holding the volume down for another 10 seconds. The jailbreak will be carried out in DFU mode. You'll see the codes running on your devices. Well done! Now we can unplug the USB drive, restart the laptop, and open Forward Me key to start over. Everything goes the same as before, except that we'll see the device information this time. Let's go ahead and hit the Start button. It'll be done in seconds. Well done. Let's check it out. Okay, now we get the data and privacy option, which means the activation lock has been bypassed. Let's go ahead and finish the setup. Be sure not to create passcode or Touch ID, and skip signing into your Apple ID in this process. Here we are. Finally, we got to the home screen. As you can see, the account has been signed out. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is iCloud Go channel. See you in the next video.